goes first, please. Thank you for putting it back. Oh, good, thanks.
Princess story.
Should I tell you a Princess Skylar story? Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess. Her name was Princess Skylar. She lived up in the clouds, and she could fly. And one time, she thought, I'm so hungry. I wish I could eat some lunch. So you know what she did?
Yeah.
What'd she do? She asked her mommy, she said, Mommy, make me that food. Make me that food. And her mama said, ask nicely, Princess Skylar. And so Princess Skylar said, I'm sorry, Mom. Would you please make me a PBJ? And her mommy said, okay. And so her mama made her a PBJ, and she ate it all up. The end.
I love you, Tony.
Oh, thanks, honey.
I love you, Tony.
Good one, huh?
Make me happy.
Made you happy? What was your favorite part?
Princess Tyler.
Yeah, it's a good part. I agree.